Hello, my beautiful souls. Today I'm painting a little clay piece I made. A girl in a warm orange coat, standing next to the sweet little cat. There is something so comforting about this scene. It feels like a quiet weekend morning, full of stillness and soft love. This is for you, my beautiful friend. You are safe. You are welcome here. I created this clay piece during a week. I felt a bit overwhelmed. I just needed a gentle reminder that it's okay to slow down. So I just imagined a girl with a heart full of love. Someone who wakes up early, reads some paper, waters her plant, and always shares a quiet moment with her cat. She doesn't rush, she doesn't worry, she just exists gently. That's the kind of energy I want to share with you today. That's for you. Gentleness is powerful. And I'm going to tell you that you are enough, exactly as you are. I chose this cozy orange for her coat because orange feels like a warm hug. It reminds me of sunrise and the ginger tea. It reminds me of autumn leaves and quiet moment under a blanket. The little cat reminds me of my own sweet pet. They don't ask for much, do they? They just ask for love, presence, and kindness. Sometimes they seem to know when we need the moment of calm. They curl up beside us, purring gently, saying, I'm here too, and everything is okay. To the one listening right now, to you, your love matters. Kindness to animal is kindness to your soul. There is so much beauty in the simple. A little plant, a paper, a warm drink, a pet sitting quietly by your feet. We chase so much in life, but sometimes it's these soft corners that hold the most magic. I want to keep choosing softness. How about you? I want to live like this girl, with care, with love, and with space to breathe. Breathe in peace and exhale worry. I feel like this little clay character has a soul of her own. She reminds me that we can be a calm place in a noisy world. That we can give love without needing a reason. That animals, like people, feel our energy and they always remember our kindness. My friend, you are light. You are love. Thank you for painting with me today. If this brought you a little peace, leave a heart or a word of kindness in the comments. And if you like to keep joining me in these quiet moments, I would love for you to subscribe. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and those around you. My lovely friend, you are never alone.